Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a while. I've been sick, but I'm back now. I actually have been gone for maybe a week and a half. I made a video for Monday, but using my old iPhone, I couldn't upload the video. I tried and tried and tried. Took me all day trying to get more space, but it would not allow me to send the video to my laptop so I could edit it. But anyway, this is Wednesday, I think February the 25th or 6th. But anyway, I'm back and I am back to keep you all informed on what's going on. I think the last video that I did, I was basically giving you some information that I would usually share to help encourage women. But the name of my channel is called Life Aging in Peace, but my handle is called Sonya's Journey. Sonya's Journey, which this channel is really about my journey, my life, and the things that I do. And one of the things I like to do is encourage other women, particularly women who are aging. But another aspect of my life is that I like to garden. And so I wanted to get back into gardening before the spring comes because last year I completely neglected the garden. I didn't do any gardening at all. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take you outside and see what a mess it is. I didn't keep up with anything. I didn't plan anything. I had been preparing for my YouTube channel and my two art sites, websites. One art, one t-shirt that I was building. And so I put all of my time and my attention into those projects and nothing on gardening. So anyway, I'm back to doing the gardening because we are living in times that we are not sure what's going to happen to us. So anyway, let's go outside so I can show you what neglect looks like. And I'm going to be working the rest of this week to get it in, to get it up to par and start planting seeds. Let's go take a look. Okay, I kind of didn't really want to show this because it's really embarrassing how this yard looks and how I neglected this whole thing for an entire year because I was doing something else. But it is what it is, and it's good that you'll see it this way of how it looks before, so you'll see the process and how it looks after I finish it. And so it'll be a big change from what it looks like now and how I'll have it looking. Now this thing is a raised bed that I built, and I put that hoop on it with the wire and net on it, but it's time for a new net to be placed on it pretty soon. So next week I'm going to tear that off, and maybe not even next week, I think this week. I'll tear it off and put a new netting on it to keep the bugs out. But you see, my buckets have all got weed in it, all the stuff that I used to grow in and I used to do my fruits and vegetables in, but everything has to be replaced and built where it doesn't look like that. Now we're going to take a walk over to the other side where I had my other pots and things. This is a orange tree that we bought when it was very small from Home Depot. That's the other raised bed that I built that is just overrun with um, weed and stuff. These are old buckets. I built this structure that is holding the buckets, but these are some of the things that I planted that are just overtaken by weed and stuff. But all of this is going to be cleaned out, weeded, raked, and just done all over for the spring garden. You'll see the big difference what it looks like once I get done with it. And this tree right here in this pot is my lemon tree that I started from a seed. Believe it or not, maybe 6 or 7 years ago, took a seed and put it in an eggshell and started it with some soil, and it has grown so much taller than me. This is also a Japanese plum tree that I started from a seed, but it has grown. Um, so I had to come and take out all of the dead stuff, prune the ones that are still alive, and then bring them back to life. And you will see all of this week as I work on getting this spring garden together. It's a lot of work that has to be done in this yard, and I'm going to do it all myself.
So as you saw for yourself, the garden is a mess. I have a lot of work to do, but hard work is good work. And I like doing the work. So anyway, what I forgot to say earlier is that as my phone was messing up on me, wouldn't allow me to upload my videos, I had to revert back to this this gadget, my Canon digital camera. I like the camera, but I like the video of the iPhone better. But since I couldn't get that video uploaded and out to you guys, I'm using my Canon. I'm going to have to continue to use this until I can upgrade on my phone. But anyway, like I said earlier, one of the things that I like to do on my journey is to garden. And I am desperately trying to stay focused on eating healthier, being healthier. But in addition to that, we are in a position in this country where we don't know what's going on, especially because of the administration. We don't know where this country is headed. We don't know where food prices are headed. We don't know anything. So it's best to be prepared and grow your own foods. You know, it's a lot of space in that yard. It doesn't look like it, but it's a lot of space to create a lot of produce. And so that's what I'm going to be doing, focusing on creating a garden that can feed myself along with my mother, and some of the vegetables that we wanted to grow this year. I mean, we grew some of it in 2023. But like I said, in 2024, I didn't do anything. But we usually grow greens, okra, tomatoes, bell pepper, sweet potatoes. I do jalapeno sometimes and banana peppers, but I don't really eat jalapenos or banana peppers. So we're going to focus our energies on growing only the things that we eat. So we can just have plenty of that. And what we're doing differently this year is I want to do some potatoes in addition to sweet potatoes, have white potatoes too. So I'm just making a list of all the things that I want to grow. Going to go get the seeds to start the new seedlings myself instead of going and buying seeds already started seedlings. I'm going to start them myself, and I'm going to start them indoors while the weather is still cold, still cool. And then as it warms up and we transition into the spring, then I'll plant those outside. But right now I'm going to just get ready to prepare the surfaces to receive it when we're ready to transplant them outside. But anyway, I just wanted to catch you all up on what had been going on with me and while I was out and while I was trying to get these videos going again. I will be back on my schedule. Today is Wednesday, so I will post this today. And then I'll have one on Fridays and back to Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But being sick is no joke. And then having faulty equipment ain't no joke either. But I'm thankful that you guys are still here and that you continue to support my channel. I just want to say thank you for the 666 subscribers that I do have. I don't thank you guys enough for supporting me and continuing to watch my videos. I'm so thankful to have you guys here, and ask that you continue to support me. And if you know of anyone who you can share my videos with, please do so. And until Friday, I will see you guys later.